So here we have to find the acidic character. So this is our main group is functional group is ammonia. So we'll first find the basic character, then we'll find the acidic character. In this case we can see this is the standard ammonia, this will be basic. But here in case of 1, if k enters 2, so there will be your minus I effect at ortho. But in case of 3, we'll get here minus I effect at meta position, and here in case of 4 minus I effect at para position. This is minus I effect, and you know minus I effect is it operates through distance. It operates through distance. More distance, there will be less I effect. So there will be more electron withdrawing over here. There is more electron also giving. So don't I say electron taking. So then this will be your more. This will less. This is more. So if you take this one basic characters, so basicity will be more. Basic will be your 2. No, not 2. So this will be more basic, then followed by 4 because of para position, then followed by 3 because of meta position, and followed by 2 because of ortho position. So what will be more acidity? So acidity is the reverse of basicity. So answer will be 2, then 3, then 4, and then 1. So this is our acidic character of this whole group. Substituted phenolic compounds. So we can see here OH is the functional group, and methyl is present at the ortho, meta, and para position. So in case of here 1 is your, this is the standard. If you find the acidity, this is the standard is there due to OH. So if you case of here, this will be, here will be your, in case of 2 we have much plus I effect and much plus H effect. H effect means hyperconjugation effect is here. In case of 3 we have only plus I effect because at meta positions no hyperconjugation. So here no hyperconjugation is there at meta position. So at meta position there is no hyperconjugations. If you take here 4, so 4 we have plus I effect and plus hyperconjugation effect. So this will be more basic, this will be more basic, so this will be your less basic. So acidic character will be your, what is the acidic character? So acidic character will be 1, then 3, after 1 then 3, then we will have 4, and we will have after this one 4, we'll have again second. Okay, so this is our the acidic characters. Also we know that electron donating effect is operates through ortho, para, then meta. So this is our, so here it is decreasing. So in which acidic character this will be more. So first will be more this one, then meta position. Okay, then second your hyperconjugation is there also there here, but this distance is more. Okay, and here we have 2 is very near to this one. So this will be your more basic, less acidic. So this is our order of the acidic characters. This is the benzoic acid. This is the ortho, meta, and para positions. So which will be more acidic? So here you can see here 1 is our standard acidic, 2 will be here ortho effect, 2 we having ortho effect, 3 we have plus I effect. So plus I effect at meta position is, I effect at meta is ineffective. Okay, in this cases, and then third we have, fourth we have here in this case it will be, this is your electron is ineffective, and fourth will be your plus I and then plus hyperconjugation at ortho and para position. This hyperconjugation will occur ortho and para position. Now what is ortho effect? So ortho effect means this compound is ortho substituted at this electron donating group is substituted at ortho position. So what will happen? So in this effect, any compound like electron donating group or electron withdrawing group, so whatever present, so they will be, this acid will be, means what, benzoic acid will be strongest among all isomers, because this will cause some steric hindrance. So this will create some less effect on this benzoic group. So ortho effect is more acidic, then the order of acidity will be, first will be your second due to ortho effect, then will be your first standard acid, then will be your third. The third we have plus I effect, then we will be having a fourth. So this is our acidic character. This is the substituted aromatic amines. So in amines, methyl present at ortho, meta and para. So in the case of methyl, first we will find the basic characters. This is our strategy. So in basic character, so one will be your more basic, this is more basic, this is your standard, one is our standard. If you take second, so second is ortho effect, so ortho effect at amines. Third will be your plus I effect, and we can see here hyperconjugations of methyl, and fourth we can see plus I effect. So this is Me is ineffective here, so you can say ineffective because hyperconjugation at meta is ineffective, and here plus I effect plus hyperconjugation effect. So basic character will be order first 4 because plus I plus hyperconjugation, followed by 3 because here plus I effect is there, then followed by 1. So this is the standard amino group, lone pair of ammonia is there, then followed by second. So what will the ST character? So ST character will be reverse of this one. The reverse means 2, then 1, then 3, and then 4. So this is the ST character of this compounds, all these compounds. Substituted phenolic compound. So here the phenol is given, and this side is methoxy at ortho position, meta position, and para position. So we can see here this is the standard. If you take the second case, in second case what happens? Minus I effect plus R effect. So plus R effect at ortho positions. Okay, so this is here we can see here plus R is more than plus I. So this will be your more electron donating. Now in case of third is at here minus I effect, no plus R effect because of meta position. So because of meta position this will be no plus R effect. If you take here fourth case, so in fourth case minus I at para positions, and second is plus R at para. So there are two effect, one is minus I at P and plus R at P. So here plus R at para and ortho both are same. So plus R because R hyperposition, they do not depend on distance, they depend any ortho para position. So there will be more plus I. So out of this 4 and 2, so here there is more effect of 4 over here. So this will be more electron donating. So this will be more electron donating than in case of 2. So here also plus R, here also plus minus, but this is at the ortho para position. So overall if you take, this will be your more electron donating, this is less electron donating. So this is also not distance, but this is nearer to this one. So this will be more electron donating, this will less electron donating. So we can see here acidic character will be acidic will be your first will be your 3, this one, then followed by 1, this one, then followed by 2, and then followed by 4. So this is about the order. So here this is the here will be your more ortho effect, means more minus I effect here, less minus I effect. Okay, so due to this one, because here if you see here ortho methyl effect, this is the by hyperconjugation this will be both in both same, but due to minus I effect this will be your more acidic, this will be your less acidic. So this is basically our answer.